Good morning. Today we are discussing about the direct marketing and explain the features direct marketing and explain the features and functions of direct marketing. What is the meaning of direct marketing? Generally, we discussed in the last class in the marketing concept some of the main important different types of personal selling concepts we discussed in the last class. Now we'll discuss about that direct marketing. Direct marketing is a channel through which an organization communicates, with its customers one-to-one basis and sells its goods and free to them. That is a first direct market. Direct marketing is a channel through which an organization communicates with customers on one-to-one basis and sells goods and services directly to them. Traditionally, in marketing organizations or indirect methods to reach the large number of customers. That is a direct marketing. Now, according to the Direct Marketing Association of USA, direct marketing is an interactive system of marketing which uses one or more advertising media. Its effect of measurable response and the transaction of the location. Well, I will give the one share the one I will share photo. This is the some of the concept of the directing marketing futures. The first one is that interaction. First one is that interaction. Interaction is a triangle is a placed in the center. Interaction deals with the incentives and or stimuli that the marketers offers offer in order to get a response from the target market. It also includes the response of the target market. Here, the aim is to relate a response to appropriate stimuli. The first feature of the direct marketing, it is a interaction means it is a triangle is a place in the center. Interaction deals with the incentives and stimuli that the marketers offers. Okay, that is first of all, when the market takes a place, in the concept of the direct marketing, any of the people they must be attract the products. After that, they have to go for to sold and they have to purchase of that product. That is the first feature. Second one is that targeting. Targeting means it includes the selecting the message recipients irrespective of appropriate type of media being used, such as print media, direct mailing, broadcast media, or telemarketing or sales calls. Here, the target can be either existing prospective customers or even large number of suspects. That is a targeting feature. The targeting feature it is include the message. It will be go for to through the media go for to sold the goods to the gold sold to the customers, and also they have to take the place in marketing. The third one, control is a triangle relates to managing the managing activity. It involves setting goals, preparing strategic and functional level plans, preparing budgets, and evaluating customer outcomes. Control is a continuation process as the future goals are formulated on the basis of the previous outcomes. The information under the interaction triangle should be accurate and complete for exercising control. That is a controlling. The next is that continuity. The continuity the continuity is one of the main important here. Uh, Continuity deals with the customer retention, cross selling, and continuous product and maintaining maintaining, and it is one of the maintenance and continuous product upgradation. Maintaining accurate records of customer interaction helps the marketer communicating with customers, recognizing their interest, and appreciating the previous. These four important features of the directing marketing. First one is the interaction, second one is the targeting, third one is the control, fourth one is the continuity. These four important features are useful for the direct marketing concept. In this concept, direct marketing, it is a retractive system. It is a which of the marketing is uses one or more advertising media. ఒకటి రెండు కంటే కూడా మీడియాస్ ని అడ్వర్టైజింగ్ మీడియాను ఉపయోగించి వ- వస్తువులని డైరెక్ట్ గా అమ్మకాలు జరిపినట్లయితే దాన్ని డైరెక్ట్ మార్కెటింగ్ అని అంటాం అనమాట. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ద నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఫంక్షన్స్. Functions of directing marketing. Functions of directing marketing, or as some of the points are there. The first one is that communicating quality. Second one, achieving credibility. Third one, frequency of the post-sales contact. These three important functions are to be maintained in the concept of direct marketing. The first one, communicating quality. Communicating quality. That is, direct marketing helps the marketers and communicating the benefits and attributes of the product or services in detail to the customers. Unlike the advertising media, like a print or broadcast media, and direct marketing provides more support and tools to the marketers to promote their products. Hence, the direct marketing is a company is likely to efficiently communicate the reason why a product or brand is better than the other, thus improving the quality image. That is the first one. The second one, achieving credibility. Achieving credibility in it is easy for the marketer to make a claims about the superior product quality, but it is hard to unbelieved. Direct marketing communication is better than that the mass media, as direct marketer is better positioned to understand and resolve customer objections and provide guarantee for satisfaction. This kind of interaction cannot be made with limited scope of mass media. That is the second one, achieving credibility. The third one, frequency of post sales contact. This function is that it is a very one of the main important for this direct marketing, the frequency of post sales contact. An image or the better quality of the products, image quality of the products is attained through the frequent after sales contact. Direct marketing helps the forms of cutting down the cost of after sales, calls observe, enhance consumer satisfaction. All these post sales activities helps helps the company in making it leader in quality and technology. For example, the database mailing newsletters. This is the post sale context. Especially in this context, the direct marketing, what is the main important? Direct marketing is one of the main channel through which an organization communicate with its customers on one-to-one basis and sells its goods and services directly to them. That we will call as an direct marketing. Traditionally in marketing, organizations use indirect methods to reach a large number of customers. Okay, and according to that, some of the Direct Marketing Association of USA, direct marketing is an interactive system of marketing which uses one or more advertising media to affect the measurable response and the transaction at any location. This is the topic for today. That is the direct marketing features and functions. The next thing is that what are the tools for the direct marketing? What are the tools for the direct marketing? Some of the tools and forms of the direct marketing is there. The first is that some of the tools, the mail order marketing and catalog marketing, direct mail marketing, telemarketing, okay, telemarketing and direct selling, direct response marketing, teleshopping, home shopping, database marketing. These are all the tools when we use this in the direct marketing concept, especially the mail order marketing. Mail order marketing means it is a MOM. MOM is especially will be called as an catalog marketing also. Generally, a large number of customers they want to go they can't be go to the any of the markets in the supermarkets like any other markets. They can purchase directly from the catalog marketing. When the catalog marketing is a well-known method to direct marketing and also the referred the MOB, that is a mail order business. In this type of marketing, one of the catalogs are to be taken from the any different types of products and services are used by the marketers to communicate with the customers. These catalogs are also delivered to the customers via mail or order to provide them information about the product. That is called as an mail order marketing. The second one is that direct mail marketing. Direct mail marketing, it is also one of the like a mail order marketing. When it is to trading house markets are there, it is a products via mail order and it is known as MOM. So whereas when the manufacturing company markets as the producers and services by using mail order, it is termed as DMM along with the brochures and letters, whereas other items are also mailed to the potential customer, such as the gifts and compliments, free product samples, etc. The direct mail is less costly and less offensive than any other direct marketing promotional methods. This is the second tool for the direct marketing. Third one, telemarketing. Telemarketing, already we know about that. Telemarketing is the marketing process of selling products and services via telephone. That will call as then telemarketing. The next one is that direct face-to-face marketing. The face-to-face marketing is the direct selling, is a directly sells to the product to services to at the doorstep. The customers to the door-to-door or retail outlets for the personal presentation and demonstrations of the product details. That is the fourth one. Fifth one, direct response market. Another tool by user the marketers for direct marketing, direct response marketing. This is different from the direct mail marketing only in terms of techniques used, whereas direct response marketing campaigns depends upon the majorly on TV informations. Okay, informations or the commercials for the provide the information regarding the product. It is used to the benefit and other techniques of the direct response of the marketing, the radio ads and print ads, and flyers of the email. Last one, telemarketing. Telemarketing or home shipping. Telemarketing means televisions. We are using this in this market, televisions through the advertisements. Teleshopping is the latest direct marketing tool, which is also known as home shipping. The marketer commercial says the product of services via product media, mainly TV and the consumers can view or queue them on their TV and place orders required products. For example, lot of products are there in the TV, the calling of a given contact number. It is a easiest retail format where the product is demonstrated on the television and the sales made by placing orders on the telephone. That is a telemarketing. This is the topic for today. It is a topic for today. Some of the main important topics is when they are directly direct marketing. It is one of the use of the direct marketing. There is a more useful for the customers to take the place in marketing more views and some of the points are there. It's just so different products are to be purchasing in different media. Different they are using the different media and they are using the for example in the in direct marketing Amazon like another some of the teleshopping markets are there, telephone markets are there. Like that, these are all will called as an direct marketing concept. This is the topic for today. We must take tomorrow another topic. Okay, thank you.